As you guys read in the title, we're also gonna get Noob Milestone 4. Okay, it was. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I'm about to reach Milestone 3. Chance. Forsaken is a very questionable game. If you no, you are actually joking. You're actually kidding me. No, oh my gosh, I'm dead. Also, that was a practice run last time. But I'm dead. Oh my god. Giggity. We got it. Fuck, let's go. The same time I wasn't in the server. Guys, guess what? Look at my HP. I didn't even mean to reroll, but I did. Now that's a funny moment right there. Ah!